Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Hi. It's been a while since I saw you, like 2 weeks. I don't know.
Yeah, I guess 2 weeks.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. What about you?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good, thank you. Yeah. Just like someone I live with had a contact with someone who had coronavirus, so I had to stay inside for a few days. But now it's all fine, so I'm okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay because I know people as well. They had a COVID-19, but
Oh yeah.
this virus. It's sometimes people got cut this virus like levels. Some of
Yeah.
them so hard to breathe. Some of them they look like they don't have that COVID-19, but they
Yeah,
actually
but they
caught it.
actually do.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, there's different stages, obviously. But like, is your friend okay? They just have a low level of it.
Yeah, I think just like a
Your
flu,
friend, yeah.
sometimes when you get like um,
Yeah.
what do you call it, a
The
low
cough?
level of flu.
Yeah, you can say that. Yeah, low level flu, yeah. So
Yeah,
just kind
so
of
just
basic
like
symptoms,
yeah,
yeah.
just like this, the
Yeah.
situation in COVID.
Yeah, sure. Oh, but you have been fine though. You haven't had anything.
I'm doing great because
Yeah.
but I have been busy last 2 weeks. Yeah,
Making
because
YouTube videos?
actually no. I post like 3 or 4 videos. The videos it takes me a lot of time. I have
Yeah.
to edit the videos, and
Yeah, sure.
sometimes I have to put subtitles on the videos because
Mm.
it's beneficially for me and for my audience when I
Yeah,
want to.
sure.
Yeah, when I want to
Well,
review my
yeah.
videos, I get benefit twice.
What language do you put the subtitles in? In Arabic?
I put both English and Arabic.
Ah, sure, yeah. Yeah, because I saw your channel once. I think maybe I found it from Marcelo, I can't remember. But
Yeah.
yeah, I saw your channel, but I didn't see subtitles. But maybe you have to turn them on, I think.
Sometimes
Yeah, sometimes.
sometimes I activate like a subtitle with the Google Translator. Like I put
Yeah, yeah,
English United States subtitle, but
yeah.
sometimes I put my own subtitle, just the
Mm,
highlights. Like when
yeah.
I ask you something, or when you mention a word that I've never heard before. I
Yeah.
just put it because I think this is new for me, and maybe this is beneficial for other people.
Exactly, yeah. Yeah, like, and your YouTube channel, is it doing well? Do you enjoy it? Do you think it's going well?
Yeah, and I enjoy with my
Yeah.
YouTube videos because
Yeah.
it makes me know more about English, more about these people. They share me the same thought, the same passion to learn this
Mhm.
language.
Yeah. Yeah, and you can make friends through it as well, I guess, because so many people who have watched Marcelo's videos, they all seem to know each other. There's like a
Yeah.
little community almost, I think, of people who all know each other from Marcelo.
Yeah, it's just like
Yeah.
we gather in WhatsApp groups, and
Really?
we get to know each other, and we share like our thought, and we share like our daily routine, our food. Uh,
Yeah.
sometimes we have in our WhatsApp groups native English speaker with us. So I asked them why you are among us, because we are here to learn English. So they told us we like to share with you your food, your culture.
Yeah. Also, everyone talks a bit in English, and like you all help each other to improve and stuff.
That,
Oh, that's so sweet.
we can speak we can speak in mother tongue because he's speak Portuguese and I speak Arabic.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Exactly, that's the problem. So you have to use a common language. Yeah. Okay.
Sorry, I had issues with my connection.
Yeah, no problem. Don't worry. I think everyone does today. It's like all the connection is dodgy today.
I don't know, just my
Weird.
router, Wi-Fi router, just turn off suddenly. Why?
It's so annoying, isn't it? Just in the middle of a call, it just has to turn off. Like, I don't know why it happens, but
Turn on
yeah,
and turn off. Is it the same thing
I
there?
know. Yeah, you just turn it on and turn it off, and like then it works again, but it just does it automatically, turns off. I have
It's,
no idea why.
yeah, I think they need to rest, just like us. When we get to sleep, we turn off
Yeah.
ourselves.
Yeah, it's like a little sleep. Yeah, and without warning. It's crazy.
Yeah, and
But today you just want to speak, I'm assuming, seeing as we only have 15 minutes.
yeah,
Yeah.
just I wanna like have a small talk. Tell me about the weather there in France because we have a great weather, nice weather here.
Oh, really? Yeah, you're in
Yeah,
Iraq, aren't you? In
yeah,
Iraq?
yes,
Yeah.
in Iraq.
Yeah. Yeah, the weather is kind of like, I think it's 20 degrees, maybe
Hmm.
17, 18, 19 degrees. And yeah, it's cold actually but it's getting to that season, autumn, where it
Yeah.
becomes cold again. So yeah, it's not very nice, but some people like that season, it depends if you prefer summer, if you prefer it colder, like the winter, you know.
Yeah, yeah. People sometimes like summer, and some of people like the
Yeah.
winter season.
Yeah, some people love it when it's cold and everything. Like, I kind of like it, but yeah, I guess like just after summer, when you've had a summer holiday and it's really warm and then suddenly it gets cold, that's like the moment I don't like because you have to change all the clothes you're wearing, like get all of the coats out. And that's what I hate. But then you get into it and then it's good. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I can understand. Like you have to change your clothes from season to the winter,
Yeah.
and you like how can I say when we lay down the carpet on
Lay down.
on lay
Ah,
down the carpet.
you mean literally, you lay down a carpet.
Yeah, is
Ah,
it right?
like grammatically it's right, yeah, but I don't know what you mean.
Okay, okay. So uh, you sit on the ground, okay,
Yeah.
and there is only the ground on the or there is like a blanket on the ground. What do you call it? Like a blanket
Yeah, you
or
mean like a
or
carpet?
carpet?
You mean that?
Carpet, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
But here, like we can't pick it up and put it back down. It stays there.
Uh-huh. So pick it up when the summer season it's
No,
on.
no, you can't. It's stuck. Do you understand?
Uh-huh,
It's
uh-huh.
like
Yeah,
stuck
yeah, yeah,
down.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, because I was confused. Like, what do you mean take it up? Like, you only take it up when you are redecorating. You know what that means? Like, when you paint the walls
Yes,
and stuff.
I yes, I get it. But the
Yeah.
situation here, it's different. Like
Oh, wow.
we can take off the carpet
Take up the
and
carpet. Take up.
take up
Yeah.
the carpet on summer season. And
Ah.
what is the opposite word?
Put it back down. Put it back down.
Put it back down
Yeah. Back.
on the floor on the winter season. It's not
We say
yeah,
during
it's not
winter.
stuck like there.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's so weird. So you yeah, maybe we would call it a rug, what you're saying. It's like this. I wrote it for you. If you can take it up and put it down, maybe it's more like a rug, I think, that you're
Yeah,
talking
rug,
about.
rug, yeah.
Yeah, a carpet is like
Rug,
stuck down, but that's because in Iraq it's so hot, right? So
rug.
maybe.
I can tell you a beautiful coincidence about rug. Uh, I think the first word that I learned in English, rug, and
Really?
I wrote it down. I wrote it down in my notes book, and I asked myself why I write this word, because maybe I will not use it in my daily conversation. But
Exactly.
today I face this
Yeah,
word,
finally.
rag.
You can
Yeah,
say rug.
finally, it's rag, rag.
Yeah, that's good. That's good actually. But yeah,
Yeah,
it's interesting. But in Iraq, it's very hot, isn't it? Most of the year.
yeah, very. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
So you're
very
like,
very hot. The temperature reach sometimes 50, 55 at June and July.
degrees centigrade, you mean? Like C,
Uh,
not
s-
Fahrenheit.
s- s- yeah, not Fahrenheit,
Oh
Celsius.
my, wow, it's 50 or 55.
Yeah, literally, we are burning like a chicken.
Oh my God. Sometimes in France, or yeah, only France. In England, it's way colder. In France, it's sometimes 40. That's the maximum, like ever, 40, 41, 42. But never
Yeah,
hotter than that. Like, and nobody goes outside. Like you said, you have the fan on, and we can't go out because we're so not used to it.
but I believe uh, your son. It's not your our son.
Yeah.
Our son like focus on Iraq. Like we, I'm
Yeah.
gonna burning you.
Exactly. I don't know how you cope though when it's like 50 degrees. Like, what do you do? How do you cope? Do you all have like fans in
We
the
have,
house?
yeah, we have like AC air condition on every single room.
Oh,
We
really?
can't we can't live without them.
Like inbuilt air conditioning, or like, do you understand what that means? Like, is it built into the room?
Window, yeah, we have like windows.
You have windows?
Yeah,
Yeah, doesn't everyone?
yeah, every single room.
Yeah,
Because
but you also have air conditioning like in the walls, kind of like so the cold air comes out.
you mean like a system on the whole house air
Yeah,
conditioning?
yeah. Or is it like you have an actual fan, like separate ones in each room?
Two, yeah, just like what do you call it? Two pieces.
Yeah.
One piece outdoor and another piece indoor.
Ah, indoors. Yeah, indoors.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I would love to come to Iraq and just see how it is, like what it's like there. But I think I wouldn't be able to cope because I'm British. You know, we're used to the cold and the rain, but the heat, we just can't cope with it. We go like red like a tomato.
You should prepare yourself like
Yeah.
the sun and these hot degrees.
Yeah, it's awful. Like I probably would die, I think, of like the heat, but it would be cool. I would like to be able to like, come there and just be
You will get to use this life. I think after 1 week you will get to use
after
to
one
live.
week, maybe like 1 year, 2 years.
Maybe I don't know.
Yeah, because like when your skin is pale, like we have pale skin, in England, and then you
Yeah.
burn so easily, so it's like it's a nightmare. But yeah, I think we will have to go. I just saw, but it was nice to speak to you though.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you so much. It's
have a
a
nice day,
pleasure.
okay?
Bye bye.
Bye.